One of the things that I personally struggle with is headaches, and mine stem from tension headaches. And I contributed a lot to sitting at a desk all day long. And so there's a few key things that I do on my inversion table that really help me, and I want to share them with you. One of the most important actually is I affix the neck restore. So what this does is, this is not a pillow, this is actually occipital release, and it sits right at the very base of your head. And it's not enormously comfortable. You can feel it kind of digging in, but eventually those tight muscles will release. So let me show you what happens. You step in, and the key with the neck restore is you don't go to full inversion. You'll stop at around 40 degrees. And you see, I kind of got to wiggle until I get in the perfect spot, but it's at the top. And then I literally just sit here and breathe. Deep breaths. And it can actually take a while. I will sit here maybe 5 minutes and just wait for those muscles to relax. And then after I feel that they've relaxed and things can let go a lot more, I'll actually go to full inversion. Let me just tuck my shirt here. I'll go to full inversion and I'll lock out, and I do some neck exercises. See, I'm using the weight of my arms to add a little bit more traction, and I'll just push my head around just gently. If anything hurts, stop immediately. But even pull your chin to your neck, pull it to the side, pull it to the side, little head circles. And what we're doing is we're letting all those vertebrae just let go. All that muscle release, and you might hear a little few pops. That can be a good thing. And then when I'm done, just literally pop out of inversion and you can come up. Now, if you have headaches, like I said, because of sitting at a desk, there's some things that you can do while you're at work. And some of the key ones that I like to do is you bring your shoulders back and your arms at your side, and you keep your arms right at your side, and then you just open. And what I'm doing is right at the base here, I'm pinching those scapula together. And when I pinch the scapula together, because a lot of the tension is because your arms are forward at the keyboard and it's stretching out those back muscles, and that's what really starts to get at the neck. Other things obviously is the side bends, but a trick I've learned is maybe this is the side that hurts, don't just stretch it like this, but relax everything. And it looks weird, you lift the shoulder to the ear and you bring this, but now that muscle's having to do zero work, and it will actually relax because it has zero tension. And then this is a real one that it makes you look absolutely stupid, but it works. If the tension's back here, is you do these chin tucks. And yeah, I know it makes a double chin, but it's effective enough that I'm willing to make myself look a little silly to show you it. But just tuck and just hold it, and you will feel those muscles begin to relax. So those are my secrets. I really hope that they help you as much as they've helped me.